Assalamu alaikum, grade one, and a very good afternoon to all of you. So, how are you all doing? Great. Okay, that's very good. Why Sarim is looking like sleepy today? Why? Sarim, are you feeling well? Okay, that's good. So, it's your social studies class, and today we will finish our topic of myself. We discussed about how we can introduce ourselves in a better way in great detail. We started from the very five basic points or the very five basic things that we need to cover while we define ourselves, and then we talked about all other things that we can add into, and in that we discussed about many things like we can talk about sorry, like we can talk about the skin tone variations that we have in Pakistan. We can also talk about the eyes color that makes human different look different from each other. We talk about hair colors that human have, and we also talked about the type of dressing that we do. And we can also talk about our favorite food, the activities we like to do, and etc. etc. Right? So, hope you guys now are very well aware of, or now you can introduce yourself in a better way, right? So, I told you that let's say if you are introducing yourself to someone, or if your teacher asks you to please introduce yourself, I told you that when you are defining yourself, it depends on the situation as well. Let's say I told you that as I know that in which grade you are, right? So there is no need of you to tell me again that, right? Because I already knew that you are in grade one. So there is no need to repeat that. But if you are introducing yourself to somebody who do not know about this, then you will definitely tell that because it's a very basic thing. Similarly, I told you that if somebody, let's say somebody, if you met somebody and you just introduce yourself by hi, I'm Hamza, or let's say I'm Ali, then now he further asks you to please introduce yourself, or can you tell me something about you, then you will not repeat again with your name, right? Because you have already told him or her your name. So we need to avoid repetition as well. Similarly, if you are physically standing in front of somebody and you are introducing yourself, so you will only tell your name, your age, class, and etc. etc. You will not tell the other person about your eye color, your hair, because the other person can see that, right? Because as I'm sitting in front of you, and if you ask me, ma'am, if I told you about my skin tone color, that would be not suitable. Why? Because you can actually see what is my skin color, right? Similarly, if I'll tell you about my hair color, or let's say my eyes color, you can also see that as well. So this information is not needed in this situation. But yes, if I am introducing myself to somebody who is not in front of me, so then there is need of me to tell that exactly. Okay. So we discussed all of these points in great detail, and I asked you to read the book page number 1 as well. And hope all of you have read that. Today we will be reading it together, and then we will move forward. Okay. So there are two persons in the book. Yes, I'll give you the chance to read as well. Let me read the page first, and then I'll give you the chance. Okay. Okay, myself. Okay, let's see what are the points they covered while introducing themselves. First, they talk about their name. My name is Zahra, and I'll tell you about myself. Now, she's telling you that she's defining basically herself. Okay, I'm 5 years old. So she, after the name, she talks about her age. Okay, then she says that I'm in class one. Now, as a reader, we don't know that in which class Zara is, right? So she has told us about her class. Then she says that I like to eat pizza and sweets because we don't know Zara, so we don't know the food she likes to eat, right? And then she says that I love to play with dolls. So these were all of the basic things that we don't know about Zara, and she has told us, and it would help us to understand about her, right? Now let's and she also said that I also like to play outside. She liked to play with dolls, and she also liked to play outside. Okay, so now let's look at Hassan. I am Hassan. I'll tell you about myself. Hassan is also defining himself, and he says that I'm 6 years old. Okay, Zara was 5 year old, and Hassan is 6 year old. See, so your age group or your age is very important when you are introducing yourself, right? Then he says that I'm in class one. Hassan is also in class one. I like to eat cake and ice cream. Okay. And when Zara was defining herself, she does not specify the sweets. She just said that I love to eat sweets, right? but she doesn't specify what type of sweets or is there any name of sweet. But Hassan is specifying that I like to eat cake and ice cream. Okay, and then he says that I love to listen to stories. Okay, Hassan like to listen to the stories, and then he talks about I also like to play cricket. Okay, so what are the points they have covered to define themselves? They have started from the name, then he told their age, then their class, what do they like to eat and what do they like to do. So the five basic points that we also discussed in the class in the very first lecture, they have covered those 5 points. Okay, now turn the page, move to the page number 2, and we will do the book exercise today. And let's start from the very first question. You are supposed to fill in the blanks. Dash likes to eat pizza and sweets. Okay, you are supposed to tell me the answers. Okay, we talked about two persons, Hassan and Zara. Who likes to eat pizza and sweets? Raise your hands. Who? Zara. Excellent. Okay, Dash loves to listen to the stories. Okay, raise your hands. Hassan, excellent. So write Zara in the first blank and Hassan in the second one. Okay, write it with a pencil. Your handwriting should be neat and clean, and your work should also be neat and clean. Okay, do not erase again and again. You should be very careful while writing so that you don't need to erase that. Okay, so are you guys done? Okay, let's move toward the question number 2. Find the pictures of Zara and Hassan and join them with their names. Okay, turn the page. Again, move to the back page and there find Hassan and Zara. Okay, watch them carefully. Try to memorize the way of the structure of their face. And now turn the page again and find Hassan and Zara. Can you find them? Okay, where is Hassan? Yes, in the very first row on second number. Exactly. Here is Hassan. Okay. And who is going to tell me where is Zara? Yes, Asim, are you supposed to tell me? Okay, fine. Yes, here is Zara on the very first number in the first row. She's sitting beside Hassan. Okay, so we are done with two questions. Let's move forward. He says that paste or draw your picture in the center. Okay, we did this similar activity in the yesterday's class, right? Okay, paste or draw your picture in the center, then fill in the blanks and place your answers in the petals. Okay, what the question, this is a very interesting activity. What you have to do is, if you have a passport size picture, the pictures that we usually paste in the documents, or if you that you submit in your schools or somewhere, like the small pictures of you, if you have that, if it is easily available to you, you can paste it over there. You can paste it after the school as well, paste it over here, or if not, you want to draw a face of you can do that as well. Okay, and then on the petals there are pointers given. You need to you are supposed to write 5 things. Okay, the 5 basic things that we started about Zara and Hassan, you are supposed to write those 5 things about yourself. Okay, so on the first petal, you are supposed to write, my name is, what is your name? You are supposed to write not the whole sentence, only your name. Okay. Let's say your name is Sarah. So you will be writing Sarah over here only. Okay. And you can write it in horizontal way or in vertical, whatever you want. Then it says, I am dash years old. Whatever your age is, even if it is 6 years old, you will write 6. If it is 6.5, 7, whatever it is, you are supposed to write that in the second petal. Okay, second over here. Okay, yes, note down this as well, that the petals are not numbered in a proper order or in a sequence. They are jumbled up. So you need to find first the correct order. That after one, the second petal is over here, then the third is over here, then the fourth is over here. So write the correct answers in the correct petals. Okay, and then when you are first done with these, in the third one you are supposed to write, I'm in class one, which, so you will be writing as grade 1. Then in the fourth one, I love to play what? Well, you love to play, let's say football, cricket, basketball, whatever, you will write that. Then I like to eat, dash and dash. So you can write two name of two things that you like to eat. Okay, let's say biryani and pizza. Let's say biryani and pasta, pastries and cake, whatever. Okay. Then there are dash children in my class. Now here you are supposed to write the strength of your class. Okay. So you have, how you do you know about the strength of your class? Okay, perfect. And you're supposed to write that in the fifth petal. Okay, sorry, sixth petal. And now at the end, what you are supposed to do, the answers that you have written in the petal, you can write them over here in the blanks as well. Okay, okay, cool. So this activity we'll start doing. If definitely you do not have a picture of you right now, so you can do this later. Like you can paste your picture later on, but you are supposed to write all of this right now. I'm giving you the time. Start writing. If you need any help, you can ask me. Okay, class. So all of you are done. Good. Show me your work. Hold your picture. Hold your book like this. Okay, perfect. So all of you are done. That was all for today. Prepare yourself for the weekly assessment. We will have a small oral quiz on tomorrow, and after that, on next week, inshallah, we will be, we'll start the second topic that is about my school. Like we discussed myself in detail, we will discuss my school in detail as well, and then we will do some fun activities in those classes as well. Okay, so prepare yourself for the quiz, revise whatever we have done in the class, revise all of the points, revise the book exercises as well, and paste your picture in the book. Okay, so that was all. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.